Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Discord forum. So first, make sure that you are a server owner or a owner of the server, Discord. After that, you can just go to that particular server that you want to create the forum and click on this button here and click on server settings. After that, just scroll down below and you'll see the community section right here. And go click on enable community, and once you're there, click on get started right here. And as you can see, there's a verified email card. Just click on that, scan this one. And there, you can just click next here. So these are all just preferences. It's up to you. You can just go agree, continue, and finish setup right there. So there you go. Once you're down, as you can see, you can now create a channel under text channels here. So we'll click on that. So as you can see, there's a forum option here. If there's not a forum option here, you can just close off Discord and open it again, so that you can see this option. So just click on that once you see it, and there. So you could go pick a channel name. So let's say test forum, or you can make it a private or not. It's up to you. As you can see, there are options here like set recommended permissions. So you can go click on that, and you could pick what members can post or create a post. So as you can see, let everyone post. Communities that let all members post have more success keeping their servers active and engaging members. So it's up to you. Now just create post guidelines. As you can see, you can make post guidelines. There's tags and then default reaction. So you could edit all of that. Next is create tags here. As you can see, to help people organize their posts into subcategories. It's also up to you what you'd want to put it in there. So you just go through these. Next is set the default reaction for posts, which was this one, the emojis. And here you can make the first post, and to make your first post, there's a new post right here. So I'll show you guys. So you could just enter the title. So let's say welcome, or let's say test forum, something like that. So hey everyone, how are you today? So now you could add an image also right here. And once you're done with that, just click on post. So as you can see, here is my post right here. So you could edit the just sizes or spacing. So if you click on a forum here, so on this side, on the left side, you can see the informations and the posted forums. And here you can send a message or reply to the forum. So as you can see, if I click the forum here, I could reply to it by just sending a message here on the right side. And if you're the original poster of the post, you can go edit it and delete it, and you could do many things with this. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.